Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trend Micro Antivirus, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by locating the Trend Micro Antivirus software on your device. Double-click the Trend Micro icon to open the application. If you don't see the icon on your desktop, search for it in the Start menu. Once the application is open, look for that Activate option on the main dashboard. Click on the Activate button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your activation key. If you have purchased a subscription, your activation key will be in your confirmation email. Type your activation key into the provided field. Make sure to enter the key accurately to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the key, click on the Next button. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear. The software will then verify your activation key. After verification, you should see a confirmation message. Click Finish to complete the activation process. Your Trend Micro Antivirus will now begin updating its virus definitions. Once the updates are complete, your device will be protected. You can check the status from the main dashboard to confirm your antivirus is active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.